Hi, this is Morgan with Mixmax, and this is our new Outlook integration. So anytime you're in a composed window within your inbox, now all that you would need to do once you're on board with Mixmax is just click on our icon up here, and you're going to see some new options. First and foremost is the ability to integrate with your CRM. Today, that Salesforce will have HubSpot coming very soon as well, but that'll make it so that all of your activity within Outlook, all of that is synced right back to Salesforce. Next up, you have the ability to insert email templates. So anytime you have a common answer, typically to a common question, templates are a fantastic way to save some time, and you can access those right within your Compose window here. So if you have the recipient plugged in, you can utilize variables so that those fields can be updated automatically for you. You can also have handy fields like these here to just remind the person that's sending this that there's some areas that need to be touched up a bit prior to sending out. After that, we also have our one-click calendaring available. You would just click Share Availability. That's going to open up your calendar window. And from here, you can select the times that make the most sense for this meeting. You can choose the length. You can add in your conferencing, whether that's Teams or Zoom, your title, description. If there's somebody else that should be joining the call with you, you can set them in here as an additional guest. You have the ability to schedule on behalf of other calendars that you have those permissions to as well. Fantastic use case for sales teams. And then once you have everything set how you want it to go, you just click Insert, and there you go. All the recipient would have to do when they receive this is just click one of the options, and there it'll book on everybody's calendar based on all those parameters that you set in. On top of that, every email that you send through Outlook now can have your opens tracked. You can have click tracking for any links embedded within the emails. We have more functionality to come, but we are very excited to announce this integration with Outlook. Hope to see you out there. Thanks.